exciting world of industrial engineering. What it is, what does industrial engineers do, and how are we trained here in FEU?
Industrial engineering, or IT, is a branch of engineering that focuses on improving systems and processes.
Industrial engineers design efficient systems that integrate people, machines, materials, information, and energy.
What do industrial engineers typically do, and how did you apply it in your workplace?
Question is, what does industrial engineering typically do and how we use it? So my previous work is a site coordinator in the Shell depot. So as a quality assurance also, we ensure that all the petroleum are in the standard siya. So we have our own formula for the petroleum in Shell, like the V-Power. So we ensure that that's our own chemicals that we put. Then we ensure also that pag ma-deliver na siya sa mga every Shell stations, dapat kung unsa ang gibutang ng mga gasoline, maudyo na siya ang maabot sa mga customer. Like how we track the lorry or the one mo na siya ang mga truck na inyong ginaka lorry na siya. Then we ensure pod na like dili ma-mix ang different kind of gasoline kay in one kanang biyahe niya lain-lain na siya ang sulod sa lorry. So we ensure that dili jud siya mamasagol, then maabot siya sa customer na within the standard siya and sakto po siya ang kadaghanon. So mana siya. So for now, as a quality assurance here in Foundation University, we also ensure that we follow the standards like from the CHED, the PAASCO, the PACOCOA. We ensure that as a quality assurance that we ensure that our school follow all the standards that they required. So, and also, now we are applying the ISO as a document controller, and also the Hermes a document controller. So, we are the one who kanang kami mo handle all the documents and we ensure that everything is on track, like all the codes, tanan everything should like the internal quality audit, like we consolidate everything and make sure na mahimuan siya og sakto nga mga process and ma-solve ang tanang problems na naagian sa every department.
So what do industrial engineers typically do and how I apply it in my previous job? So in the food industry, I used to work as a quality assurance. So what I did is that I did a time and motion study. So in there, you'll be able to identify which tasks can be shortened. So it also triggered your productivity in the business or in the industry, because with time and motion study, you'll be able to identify the bottleneck, which is more efficient in like waste.
So what are the tools and techniques you use as an industrial engineer?
So tools and techniques as an industrial engineer. Usually when I was in college or still studying, we use this phrase as I as a jack of all trades, master of none. So I'm pretty sure that you're already familiar with it. So industrial engineering it doesn't focus on just one tools or techniques. It has broad or a lot of tools that you can use with industrial engineering. One is the time and motion study. Next is quality management, forecasting, ergonomics, decision making, and dealing with process. And there's a lot more actually to learn or to use tools and techniques.
So, based on my experience, decision making is so important for each of every one of you as a future IE, especially you work on your own without any guidance with your head or any with other people. So, you must know how to decide on yourself.
So with time and motion study, what I experienced is that we've learned that in cooking a product or a certain product, you'll be able to max out the volume of the food. At the same time, you also get to lessen the expense. Like for example, in cooking, you can just bulk cooking and then less LPG use. So that's how we use the time and motion study. Next is improve productivity. So as I said before, industrial engineering it's not about like working in industry, but you can also use that industrial engineering in the various industry, such as me in virtual assistant. So there's a process in our work environment that it consumes a lot of time. So as industrial engineering, you have to find a problem, and by doing that, you also have to solve the problem. So in that way, I was able to improve the productivity and at the same time lessen the time. And also the same industry, food industry. So it about improve the productivity or improve the quality of the item. So we have this beer zero product. So what is my aim is that I should ensure that when the beer is served to the customer, it is already it is on its top quality. Like ang iyang beer is ga-ice na siya outside, which is our ganahan taana nga part. So that is what I studied. So it took time before na ako nakuha ang timing sa beer para ma-achieve na ko ang beer below 0 jud. So there's a time study. So diya mo sulod ang time study, and then also observation sa kung what time, like for example, in this specific time i-on nimo ang freezer, and then in nasa cases nga dapat i-off nimo ang freezer kay there's a tendency nga mabuto tong beer. So mo to siya enhance the quality sa pag-serve sa beers. So time and motion study with non-food, I handled LPG. So in there, I was able to apply it by observing, and then there's a difference between the designs of LPG. If you're going to use, or I'm not pretty sure if familiar to them, but there are two types of LPG, the pole valve and the snap-on. So sa snap-on, there are different designs sa iyahon nga top part kung asa mo attach tong regulator. So kato siya na siya hindrance sa pag-refilling time niya sa machine gani sa design, because ang with thread na LPG, dugay siya mo refill, and then with the non-thread, paspas siya mo refill. So diya mo sulod tong time management gani kay dito nimo ma-identify nga, okay, if kani puros nga LPG or tank ang akong gamiton, so it will took a lot of time. So ang production ma-apektaran sad siya. So kana siya, maigo siya nga ang machine set, kinahanglan updated siya, or kinahanglan makita at pamaagi nga both threaded and non-threaded kay LPG dapat siya, it has the same time, or ang iyang efficiency and productivity ma-increase.